How do you stop paused activity on the Apple Watch? Let's get started. If you're new here, most definitely subscribe so you never miss tutorials and videos like this one. So it kind of depends on what exactly and specifically you mean by this, but most likely you are referring to the workout app on the Apple Watch, which naturally you can start it like that. You start a workout or whatever, and then you have the ability to pause it. So you swipe left, click on pause, and in order to continue, you click on resume, or you can click on the end button with the red X, and it will just stop the paused activity, right? So it's like, if that is the thing that you have in mind, you can find it like that. On the other hand, it's worth exploring the watch application on the iPhone, where you also get to manage some random things about the workout app. So you can find the workouts right here, and perhaps you want to disable the auto pause, right? It might be part of your section here, so perhaps you don't want your workouts to be paused automatically. Or there is the press to pause toggle, which basically allows the feature of pressing the side button and digital crown at the same time to pause and continue the workout. So perhaps that is something you might be interested in as well, right? So, it really depends on what you're trying to do. So in case I did not really mention the specific problem of yours, let me know about it below in the comments. It's likely I'll make an updated video just about that to make sure I cover everything and the most important parts. So thanks a lot for watching. Let me know about that. Subscribe so you don't miss the upcoming tutorials, and I'll see you later.